Are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel in 2025? You're not alone. The algorithm is tougher, the competition is higher, and getting noticed feels nearly impossible. Small creators everywhere are stuck at 999 subscribers, pushing out content week after week, and still nothing. It can feel hopeless. And yes, it hurts. But here's the truth. Growth today isn't just about luck. It's about strategy, patience, and persistence. The creators who grow are the ones who stay consistent, even when the numbers don't move. Success on YouTube in 2025 is a long game. It's about building a community, not chasing viral hits. Your first 1,000 subscribers are always the hardest, but they're also the most meaningful. So, what can you do? Here's what works. Post consistently, even when it's tough. Learn from your analytics. Engage with every single comment. Improve your thumbnails and hooks. And most of all, stop comparing yourself. Every big channel you admire, they started exactly where you are, feeling invisible, questioning everything, wanting to quit. The difference? They didn't. This is your journey. Stay patient, stay focused, keep showing up, because the next video you upload could be the one that changes everything. Subscribe if this spoke to you, and remember, you've got this.